This is Eric Moth with Mother.com. Let's take a look here at a good example of why we track certain levels. So this is GoPro in 2014, and we can see that there was the weekly closing low here. There was going to be a level to watch in case of a break. So now this is as of December 5th, 2014. So at the time, if you are watching this, you know that a break of this level would be a sell signal. And we also know that if the RSI was to break down here, that in itself would be a sell signal. Now, for the purpose of this video, we are going to be taking a look at the RSI, because what plays out in the years to come was pretty interesting. I'll explain that here in a second. So this is the setup as of December 5th, 2014. All right, now we're going to fast forward to the next week. So 1 week later, as of December 12th, 2014, notice what has happened here. We've seen a price break, which should have triggered a sell signal. We've seen the RSI also break down. Now, notice where the RSI breaks down, because this is going to become relevant in the years down the road. So that was a sell signal in 2014, and this is a weekly chart at the time. All we're going to do now is take a look at a long-term weekly chart from 2014 to the current trading here in middle of September 2019. Now, what I'm trying to emphasize here is, number one, the area we're talking about was this area here, where we got that price breakout, which was a major sell signal at the time, which coincided with this RSI break here. And like I mentioned, curiously, that break in the RSI would become relevant in the years down the road. If you understand how to use the RSI, I'm going to extend that break point. And to be clear, it's the break point that gives us this break here. Notice how over the years, this has become resistance. We got that resistance there, uniform activity above the line, back below it for those highs. And over the last couple of months in 2019, the highs for 2019 have come exactly at the RSI rejection on this blue line. Keep in mind, this also corresponds with the RSI 61.8 level, which is the blue line. Now, if we take a look at the current 2019 price behavior, and I'm going to draw the line again right there. Notice how we go above the line and back below it with uniform action, giving us the highs for 2019. So by understanding past behavior and how instruments responded to certain areas, it can give you an insight into a stock's future behavior. Eric Moth with Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESES. Yes.